friends, welcome to Creating with Jovi and to Christmas in July Swap 2026. This swap is hosted by Carol of Crinkled Path. The co-hosts are Trish at Crafting Whimsy, Susan at I Totally Love It, Angela at The Traveling Crafter, and Sierra at Cooley Craft Corner.
Also, please check out my fellow collaborators. I'll have everybody listed in the description box below.
All right, my friends. Well, first of all, I just slid these out of the package, and the first thing I have to say is delicious pink. I love it so much. All right, so let's check this out. This is so stinking cute. She's got this taped on here. All right, it's got a nice number 1 on it, so I can't make any mistakes, right? Oh, this is so fun. Look at that pretty paper. That's so pretty. I love it. Okay, let's see what's inside here. Let's see. Look at these precious tags, you guys. And there's a little pocket, and this little piece pops out. So a tag and a tag. That is so cute. And then look at this one, my friends. So cute. I love the bling on here. That's adorable. All right, my friends, let's see. There's 3 little packages here, but they're all for day 1, so we don't need to panic. Let's go ahead and see what we've got inside this one. Ah, gorgeousness. Let's have a look. Well, look at this cutie patootie. I love it so much. On the back, there's some stars. Oh my gosh, that's adorable. And then look at this big tag. This is gorgeous. Here, hold on a second. Look, isn't it beautiful? Look at that. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love it. Aw, thank you, my secret Santa. All of these are beautiful. We have one more small package to open. Let's check it out. Look at this beautiful piece, my friends. Look at this. I love this gorgeous lace here and these beautiful pearls. And then it's tied, so let's untie it. This is so adorable. And the lace here, look how cute is that. Then we open it up. Aww, look at this. So let's take these out. Aren't they beautiful? I love it. What a sweet paper collection this is. Oh, and this opens. Oh no, there's 3 of them. Look at that. Aw, so cute. Look at these. Aw, they're so precious. And then, look at that. Aw, I love it. Well, my secret Santa, thank you so much for all of your beautiful makes. This is so fun and exciting. And for you guys, thanks for watching. See you soon.